Let me introduce you to the best tie-dye table ever, the FlexiSpot E7 Plus standing desk. I'm always looking for ways to make my life easier, and this desk definitely helps. About a year ago, FlexiSpot reached out and sent me the E4 standing desk to review, and I use it for my video editing space. I made a video about this desk then that goes way more into detail and shows some of the assembly. The E4 has only 2 legs and can withstand 220 pounds. It's perfect for what I use it for, and if you'd like to see more on this, I put the video link in the top right corner for you. I was so excited about this desk, I had to get another one. Now on to the best tie-dye table I've ever had, the E7 Plus from FlexiSpot. This desk has changed everything for me. I've always had to hunch over my table to work for hours and hours on intricate designs, but with this premium ergonomic desk, I can stand and tie-dye to help my circulation and my posture. A cool change that FlexiSpot brought to the table is a USB port right in the side of the new keypad, which also features a child lock. And I always need an extra charge port. FlexiSpot offers cool accessories too, so I got this clamp power strip that has USB, C port, and 3 3-prong outlets so that the electronics I plug into it and set on my desk can go up and down along with it. Then I got this under desk drawer that has room on top for my laptop with plenty of room for other things. I put my daily tie-dye tools inside, which is super convenient. Another nice feature of the drawer is that it's lockable for safekeeping, especially with kids around. One of my favorite parts is the collision detection. No matter if the E7 Plus is going up or down, if the desk bumps anything, it will stop and move in the opposite direction. Yet another safety feature that I need with my 5-year-old running around. The reason why this is the best tie-dye table ever is unlike the E4, the E7 Plus has 4 legs, holds up to 540 pounds, and the desktop is 79-inch by 35-inch dark bamboo. The E7 Plus gives me the room, durability, and stability to work healthier and live healthier. Thank you so much, FlexiSpot, for partnering with me on this video.